Okay, Naomi, so let's just say that this is a graph of your derivative of some function. So this is a derivative graph here of some function. We don't know what function it is, but this is our derivative graph. So remember, the first derivative test tells where the original function is decreasing or decreasing or decreasing. Is increasing function, I'm sorry, doing this wrong, is increasing or decreasing. Okay, is increasing or decreasing. So if your sign changes from positive to negative, so if this is positive, the first derivative is positive, and then on this side is negative, then that means that you have a relative max. If your first derivative changes signs from negative to positive, that means this is going to be a relative min. All right, but since you are looking at a derivative graph, this is the graph of a derivative of some function, then if you are above the x-axis right in here, that means your first derivative is positive. So f prime of x is positive here. So you're above the x-axis. And so that means that, so your first derivative is positive. If your if your first derivative is negative here, that means your first derivative is below the x-axis. That means that your first derivative is going to be negative. So this shows where your function is decreasing, your original function is decreasing, and where your f of x is increasing. All right. So above the x-axis would be where the function is increasing. That means the first derivative is positive. Below the x-axis is where the first derivative is negative, and your original function is decreasing here. So the original function is decreasing here. Okay, that's what that means. All right, so where your sign changes, where the first derivative sign changes from positive to negative, is when it crosses the x-axis. It's called a critical point. So your first derivative changes from positive to negative, so it's going up and then to going down, then that means you have a relative max at x equals whatever that x value is. So I'm going to say it's a, so a relative max at a. All right, so that's what that means.